Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today we're going to be making an Oxlade type of beat. So basically we're going to be remaking his beat he did with P Prime titled Piano. So without wasting time guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. Alright guys, so I've used Audimi, to convert the vocals. So quickly I'm just going to drag in the vocals and let's just drag that in. And the tempo of the song is 106 BPM. I'm just going to drag everything to 106 and just bring down the gain. So yeah, we have something like this. Then just send it to my mixer, and the normal, just use my EQ, cut out some of the lows, and use pop plate reverb, and just add some reverb so it's nice. So quickly, I don't want to waste time on this. I want to show you guys that all these beats you hear out there are actually very simple to make. So what I'm quickly gonna do is just create my drums, and I've already dragged in my drums. I have some rims, some percussions, some snares, and the kick. So I'm just gonna create a pattern and just call this drum or drums, anyone. And let's just put that down here. I'm just gonna these first 4 bars so I can use that to create my drums. So the whole vibe started with, we have a rim here, we have another one here. I think something like this. And this, if I'm right. So then for the percussions we have something like this. Then let's see. Yeah, so we have the whole vibes like this. Then next I'm just gonna layer in my drums, and we have a steady drum. We have a steady groovy drum, something like this. Then so we have something like this. So I'm just gonna go to my piano roll and just increase the velocity. I know someone told me how to do this in the comments, but I can't actually remember how to do that. So I'm just gonna go individually and just increase the velocity. So for my kick also, just increase the velocity back. And for my kick, I'm just gonna use my EQ to take out some of the lows. So this is just basically the vibe. I can decide to just split everything, split the whole channel, split by channel, so everything is on different. So I'm just gonna drag in the 110 shaker and let's send that to my mixer. I'm just gonna come over here and put my soft clipper. That's it for the drums. Then the next thing that is coming in is gonna be our chord, and it started with this nice piano groove. And don't worry guys, you'll be able to get the FLP. Once you're on the Patreon, you'll be able to get the link in the description of this video, so you can convert it. So for my piano chords, I'm gonna be using Contact, and this I'm on the key of G. So to save time, I've actually just created my chords. So I'm just gonna drag it inside. So this is what we have with our chord. This is what we have, but I'm just gonna change this note. Let's go down here. So this is what it sounds like. And so that's just the chord I was playing all through. So basically I'm going from our 3 to our 2. Then the next I'm gonna layer it with a chord from Peculiar Sound. So Peculiar Sound, just go over to the glide pad and pick the analog singing. So I'm just gonna copy the same chord, just copy this, and let's go over to our glide. I'm gonna paste it, and then we have. I'm gonna just take out these up notes, take out this. I'm just shorten it. So. Just put it over here. So I think it's starting from this part. Nice. I love the way it's sounding so far. So next is just the bass. I'm just gonna bring in the bass, and the bass came in from over here, and it has this realistic bass. So I think it was a real bass, like a live bass that was played. But I'm just gonna try to emulate that. So I'm gonna use trillion bass. So I don't want these tutorials to be long, So I'm just gonna pick one of the presets, and I'm using the P bass pick sustain. That's the bass I'm using. This is what it sounds like. So this is what the bass sounds like. Yeah, I think something close to this, so it sounds together. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to my kick and just sidechain it with. Yeah, just a little sidechain, not much. I'm just gonna use EQ again just to cut out some of the highs. So basically that's everything in the whole song, trust me guys. But I'm just gonna add some stuff. Then there's this vocal sample, or this sample that came in, and that's from Arcade. So I'm just gonna load in Arcade. I think the sample is from Passport, so I'm just gonna go over to the Passport. Yeah, so let's just put that sample. So I think it's that. So let's. Yeah, so I'm just gonna render that, give it that source. So I'm gonna add analog lab 4, and I'm gonna be using this preset that I've always used. Let's create our pad, and this is, so I'm just gonna paste that. So we have this. Gospel. Yeah, so let's listen from the top. We started with this chord progression, so I'm just gonna put this. I'm also gonna just layer it with then the vocal sample, or this sample. Then add some drum fills, and I think we're done. My universe might be yeah, so Oxlade has lots of, like I said, it has lots of vocals playing. So that's why, the audio is sounding that way. So what I'm just going to do, lastly, is just to bring in my IM pusher. Yeah, so I'm just going to load in IM pusher. So, it has some weight. My universe might be my universe might be my baby's when I you Yep, so guys, you can see how very easy it is to remake any beats basically you hear out there, and I hope you got something from this. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, any comment for me, just let me know in the comment section, and I'm sure I'm gonna respond to every one of you guys. Thank you for watching, and you're gonna get access to this FLP. Link is gonna be in the description, but you have to be part of the Patreon community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.